Welcome to my second video about the new micro-licensed Bybit.EU platform. My first video, which will pop up around here at the top, showed a full walk on how to sign up on the platform, and in this video we are going straight to business and claim our first bonuses on the platform. Now, if you haven't watched my first video, then you should do that first before continuing, or else sign up on Bybit with my affiliate referral code showed on the screen here. Or use my affiliate link that is in the description below and also shown here on the screen as well. Now, after you have signed up and went through the verification process, you should wind up on this page, and if you do not see this, then click on the logo top left. Now on this front page you will already see some banners that offer you the first welcome bonuses. Let's start with a welcome bonus that is offered to users in the Netherlands and do their first deposit with Ideal, which is a well-known payment provider in the Netherlands. You can see that the initial deposit amount is already filled in and that we only have to continue and deposit our initial funds for trading. Then we have a second confirmation screen and have to click continue. Okay, let's click this again, and now we come to the QR code that should be scanned by our bank app on our phone. So let me scan this and enter my PIN code to confirm this deposit. And then we get a confirmation that everything went well. Let's view the order information to check here as well on the exchange. And if we go to our assets, then we see our initial deposit of 100 euros on our account. Now we can check what we should do to claim our reward. For that we can click on the top menu on the rewards hub to see all the rewards we can claim and the statuses of these claims. And you can see that in this hub the first 5 USDC is already automatically claimed after I had completed my verification. Now you have to know that some of these claims are not directly added to your funds because sometimes there is a holding period and only after that period the amount can be claimed. But for this video I can now say that reward 2 is in the pipeline to be added to our funds too. Now I had to wait a while before the 25 USDC was dropped to my account, and if you read the conditions on the announcements page, then you can read also that this welcome bonus is a first come first serve bonus, so you should be quick to sign up and claim this. And it could also be that the rewards will be automatically distributed to eligible users rewards hub up to 14 days after the event ends, and users also must manually claim their rewards on the rewards hub. So I think this is a very important information to know. In my case I probably was lucky enough to receive this reward after, let's say, 45 minutes, and after I have done some other chores to activate the other claims. Here you can see that I have claimed successfully this 25 USDC, and if I click on view rewards, I probably have to go to the assets menu. Then here you can see it's 21.48 euros, and then you can see here that these 25 euros has been added to my account. Well, this is great, thank you Bybit.EU. This next claim suddenly popped up on my screen, so it could be that you will not get this immediately, but will receive this after some time. Now I am always trying my luck, so of course I will join directly here. And if we click on the button, we'll end up on the prize page where we can see all the prizes we might win. Now let's click on the register now button and see what we have to do to be eligible for these prizes. Now clicking on this golden button does not work, so I guess I have to top up my account with even more money to get chances for these prizes. I'm first going to top up with $50 to get my first chance here. Now I have to select the payment method here, and since I do not have Apple Pay or any of these other payment methods, I will have to select my balance. Then I will have to enter 50 in the spend box and click on buy with euro, and let me click on confirm on the conversion rate screen. And in my case I get an error that says that the third-party service timed out. I want to check first if anything is available here before I go and try to buy Bitcoin one more time. And look at that, I have 3 chances for a lucky draw. I will use them now to see if I'm lucky today. Now click on the button and let's spin this baby 3 times because I need that ledger. Well, today apparently it was not my lucky day because after all I got only 3 fee savers. Well, I hope that someone else is more lucky than me, and if you do, then leave this in the comment section below. so that at least I know that this isn't a scam. Let's go further with the next bonus. And in this next bonus hunt I'm going to claim yet another fee saver, because a trader can never have enough fee savers. Well, actually I made a mistake here because I already had made a deposit of 100 euros and only had to trade $10 worth of crypto. So I will spare you this process and go directly to the part where you can easily trade this $10 to be eligible to claim the bonus. Now when you click on the Trade Now button, you end up on the trading platform itself, and this can be somewhat overwhelming if you are just beginning to trade on Bybit. So I have another super simple way that is equivalent to trading on the trading platform. If you go to the unified trading account and convert USDT in USDC or USDC in USDT, then this should count as trading volume 2. Here I'm going to convert 50 USDC in USDT. Now let's get the quote, confirm the transaction, and wait for the processing. Then I can view the assets, because here I can confirm if I have a 50 USDT and 50 USDC. And then I'm going back to the rewards hub and can click on the card of the fee saver bonus. And there you can see that I have fulfilled all requirements. I only have to wait because of the holding period that is mentioned in the left pane here. Now let me refresh this page to make sure that it is all visible, and let's try to get another bonus from this page. In this final bonus hunt I'm going to get the 10 USDC airdrop. And for this to achieve, I have to trade $100 or more and also have to stake $100 or more on the staking platform. And this time I'm going to do the same trick here as in the previous bonus round. I'm going to swap USDT for more than $100 into Bitcoin to meet the first requirement. So let's go to the unified trading account and convert this into Bitcoin. Select Bitcoin and then get a quote. Let's confirm this, and after the conversion I can also check my history too instead of viewing the asset. Now when I check the bonus page I see that I already meet requirement 1. And now I only have to stake some money to get the bonus. In the meantime I have added more money to the trading account to make better use of the staking percentages, and I also have converted everything into USDC again. Now if you want to stake, then staking services is reachable from the top menu under Finance, Earn and then Reward Service. You can then see the fiat staking service that gives you an APR of 15%, and you'll have to lend your money for 7 days in this case. So if you want to have some trading funds, don't do this with all your money at this moment. In my case I will choose subscribe and enter the amount of money I want to stake. Let's click on the subscription button and confirm this one more time. And at this moment all the USDC is kept by the reward service. I cannot touch it for 7 days, which is fine with me. Now to see if I can claim my 10 USDC. So let's go to the rewards hub one more time. And lo and behold, I have a check mark on the welcome gift item. And I have again successfully finished this mission. Now let's see if I can claim the $10 in the reward section. And yes, there is. $10 are waiting for me. So let's claim this and see how it looks on my funding account. And what a beautiful sight this is. Now if you want to claim these bonuses, you know what to do. First of all, use my referral GetBybit or use my affiliate link. That's in the description below. And then claim all of these bonuses so that you have your first profits even before you are starting to trade on Bybit. Now I hope that you got some useful information out of this video, and if you do, then you know what to do on YouTube. Click like, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye!